As a content creator, you can make what someone makes in a year in 1 month. So it's either you become a part of it, you become a content creator, you become an influencer, and you get a piece of the pie, or you get left out. You're going to fail as a content creator if you're not doing these things that I'm mentioning in this video in 2025. Guys, we officially have 12 days until 2025. And if you want to be successful as a content creator in 2025, then you might want to pull up a chair and get ready to take some notes. So I've been a successful influencer for 12 years now. And I say successful because this is what I do full time. Like, this is what pays the bills. I get paid to post, get paid to shop. In my 12 years of being an influencer, I've mastered utilizing social media to make money. Like, I've literally learned how to use social media to its fullest potential. And the goal with this video is to help you do the same. So be sure to subscribe, not for me, but really for you. This entire channel was created to serve as a resource for you guys to teach you how to make money online and to live your life to its fullest. And before I hop right into this video, I just want to say that this life isn't necessarily for everyone. As a content creator, you can make what someone makes in a year in 1 month. So it's either you become a part of it, you become a content creator, you become an influencer, and you get a piece of the pie, or you get left out. It's up to you to choose. So the first thing you want to make sure you are doing in 2025 is going to be not limiting yourself and the amount of money you can make as a content creator. There is a very long list of ways you can make money online using social media. So I don't want you guys to think little. I want you guys to be thinking big.
You need to be thinking big, bitch.
Talking brand deals, affiliate marketing, platform monetization, like getting paid to post, getting paid to go live. I'm talking about digital products, services, subscriptions, or even starting a business based on your following. Never limit yourself to just making one source of income on social media. Always have to have multiple streams of income. I don't care if you're an entrepreneur or not, especially the way things are today. You have to have more than one source of income, whether you're an entrepreneur or you just work a regular 9-to-5 job. You need more than one source of income. I have never been a fan of depriving myself of something or something that my children really want. If I see something and I want it, I want to be able to buy it. God did not put us on this earth to live paycheck to paycheck, to just survive. That is not what we were created to do. I was never for working for a life that you couldn't even enjoy. You're working to live a life that you're not able to live. You're not able to enjoy it. So what is the purpose? I want you guys to be out here signing up for any feature. This is why I create the videos I do on Instagram. If there's any monetization feature that I'm posting or any way that you can make money online, you should be dabbling in it. What's the worst that can happen? It won't work, or maybe it will. You won't know unless you give it a try. As a content creator, as an entrepreneur, a business owner, there will be days when you don't get sales. Let's say you're a creator. There are gonna be months where you don't get brand deals. You don't get brand partnerships. So what happens then? You have to have something else to supplement that income. So that's why each one of these monetization features, each one of these different ways that you're able to make money as an influencer or a content creator, you should be doing it. The second thing you want to make sure you're doing in 2025 to make sure you're not failing as a content creator is posting consistently. Listen, you guys, you can watch all of these free videos I have here on my YouTube. You can buy my ebooks, you can buy my courses, but nothing is going to work until you take that knowledge and actually apply it. Applied knowledge. I try to say this in all of my videos, but you guys need to really get this through your head. You can watch all these videos, binge watch, get all this information, but if you're not applying the information, nothing is going to happen. You have to be consistent with posting before you can start seeing any type of results on your social media. And being consistent is a must, because when you finally get that viral video, which we all will if you're working towards it, when you finally get that viral video, your page would have already been built up with content from you being consistent. Your personal brand would have already been built. So when you get that viral video, people are able to go on your page and see that, oh, this person just keeps delivering. Their content is good. I'm going to follow, I'm going to subscribe, I'm going to buy their stuff. That's how it works. You have to be consistent. So in 2025, I want you guys to really challenge yourself to be consistent. Even if you're trying to be consistent, let's say be consistent for 3 months. What you're doing is not working out for 3 months, then move on to the next thing. But at least you need to be consistent. You need to be posting daily. for 3 months. I don't want to hear you guys saying, oh, I tried, but you weren't consistent. Okay, so just to make things even easier for you guys, I'm going to give you guys my 3-day strategy on how I am able to post daily on social media. Day 1, you want to take the first day to plan out your content. You need to plan out your content, what you're going to say, your video topic. You also want to find the viral sound that is going to go with your content. On day 2, I want you guys to batch film, batch create these videos. And while you're batch creating these videos, you're done, batch create some photos. You want to do a combination of both because I'm not sure if you guys heard, but you're not only posting reels, you're also posting carousels. On day 3, which is the last day, you are going to edit your videos and you're also going to schedule them to be posted throughout the week. 3 days out of 7 days is absolutely amazing. Only having to work 3 days with this strategy and having your content being posted by itself. So during the week, you're going about your day, not having to be on your phone all the time. You gotta have a strategy. You need to learn how to work smart, save your time, save the stress. Especially if you're a mom and you have kids, you don't need to be on your phone all the time. I use this 3-day strategy. The rest of the week, I am chilling with my kids. Maybe I'll dedicate an hour or less to reply back to comments and messages. And of course, you should be checking your email daily because you can't play with that. That's where the brand deals come in. So the third thing you want to make sure you're doing in 2025 is building a omnipresence. I swear, I see so many creators telling you guys to just focus on one platform. No, you guys, we need a omnipresence. Take the content that you have and repost it on other platforms. But when you're taking this content, you want to change the music. Each platform has different trending music. The trending music is what's going to put your videos in front of more people. That's just how it works. So I really need you guys to stop limiting yourself and stop just focusing on one platform. A lot of the times it's like people who have Instagram don't have Facebook. People who have Facebook don't have Instagram. People who have YouTube don't have TikTok. People who have TikTok don't have Pinterest. So you want to make sure you're on every platform. I'm telling you guys. And it's literally how you're going to become well known because it doesn't matter what social media platform, the people would see your content. And I mentioned Pinterest because a lot of you content creators or people who are looking to become content creators are not thinking about Pinterest. Do not leave Pinterest out. Pinterest is the quickest way to land on Google. Pinterest will put you and your pictures, your videos on Google. And the coolest thing about Pinterest, which I really don't know why Pinterest is so slept on. Every post that you make on Pinterest, you can include a link directly on that post. So if I'm marketing an affiliate product, I can put a different product on every post. And it's not like a link in a bio, like you got to go somewhere else to find a link. No, it's directly on that post. So definitely utilize Pinterest as an affiliate marketer. There are so many content creators, influencers who, because I've been doing this for 12 years again. So there are so many people that I know who have given up, and it's insane because I look at it like there are so many different ways to make money online, you guys. It's mind blowing to me. And the thing I love the most about social media is that you can do it from anywhere. I can get up and leave where I am today in the United States and go to another country and still get paid US dollars living in another country. 12 days until it's 2025. 12 days until it's a new year, you guys. If you're someone who's serious about becoming a content creator, becoming an influencer, then I definitely recommend grab a seat for my influencer master course. I keep getting messages every day like, oh, can you hold my hand? People literally message me saying, oh, can you hold my hand doing this, doing that? Yes, that's what the course was created for. The course is to play as a step-by-step guide to help you to become a paid influencer. So it has everything you're going to need to become a successful influencer in this course, as if I was holding your hand. So this course is not going to throw a bunch of information on you and expect you to grasp it, because I do know that everyone gets informational overload. So in this course, you should be expected to complete some homework. I need you guys to be watching these video courses with step-by-step tutorials on how to do things like edit for CapCut, how to use Lightroom and their filters to make your pages look aesthetically pleasing, how to use photo editing apps like Facetune and YouCam to make your pictures look flawless like all the Instagram models do, and more. Like, there's so much more in this course. Of course, you guys can find more information about my master course down below in the description if you are interested, which I say you guys should be interested, because again, 12 years I've been doing this and I do this full time. If you're going to learn from somebody, then you should be learning from somebody who does it. Somebody who's actively living the life that you want to live. I'm telling you guys, you have to be willing to make investments into yourself. I'm pretty sure you want to save time, and you also want to save heartache, because it is no fun feeling left out or feeling like you're doing something wrong. So if you enjoyed this video, then I absolutely know you will love this video here on how I grew my Instagram in less than 1 year to 300,000 followers, you guys. I am not playing out here. I am really that girl. So that's going to complete today's video. I'm about to go head outside and get some pizza. I'll catch you guys on next week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, you guys, peace and much love. Bye.